Welcome to this instructional video on API 16C welding requirements and verification processes, specially crafted for professionals in the oil and gas industry. Today, we'll explore the crucial guidelines and compliance measures necessary for welding components exposed to wellbore fluid. API 60C sets a stringent framework, ensuring that all welding adheres to the standards of NACE MR 0175 ISO 1556. This ensures not only the integrity of the welds, but also the safety and reliability of the components they form. Let's begin by understanding the general welding requirements. All components in contact with wellbore fluids must conform to the detailed welding requirements specified in NACE 0175 ISO 5156. Verification of this conformance is achieved through the implementation of a manufacturer's written welding procedure specification, or WPS, and the corresponding procedure qualification record, known as PQR. For components that demand impact testing due to their pressure-containing or pressure-controlling roles, adherence to these specifications is even more critical. The manufacturer's WPS and supporting PQR are essential tools in verifying compliance and ensuring structural integrity. Now let's discuss the traceability of welds, a vital aspect of the welding process. New welds and repair welds must be meticulously mapped to provide traceability. Each weld map serves as a comprehensive record containing essential information such as a part sketch denoting new weld or repair area, part number and serial number, welder's name and stamp number, PT/MT report number for defect removal verification, the WPS used, details of filler material including heat, batch, and lot, weld flux specifics if applicable, number of post-weld heat treatment hours used and remaining. Each of these elements ensures that every weld is accounted for, traceable, and verified according to the highest standards. In conclusion, understanding and implementing these welding requirements and traceability processes are paramount. By strictly adhering to API 16C and the associated standards, we not only uphold industry excellence, but also safeguard the reliability and safety of critical components in the field. Thank you for watching this instructional video. For more detailed resources and guidance, be sure to check our additional content available on YouTube, Vimeo, and professional engineering platforms. Stay informed, stay compliant, and ensure the utmost quality in your welding practices. For further inquiries, please feel free to call us.